is Jaspreet. Yeah, and actually I have a dream of opening a residential building outside the colleges. Like mostly we have hostels outside the colleges, like PGs or something like that. But I actually want to build up a society sort of thing for people who are coming from different part of the country to study at a particular area. Like I'm coming from north side and I'm studying in Pune, so I have to look for flats, I have to look for hostels, I have to look for food areas and all the hospitals, everything. So I want to build up a society that is comprised of all these things, like grocery, like hospitals, like some recreational plants and everything. So that can have like 4 or 5 buildings comprised in a small society, and then I can have a building only for the girls, then only for the boys, and inside the building I have all the mess, and not that typical kind of mess that is provided in the hostels. I just want to change the mindset of people who actually think that hostels are like a boardroom for them. So the interior should be so fascinating for the students, so that they actually think that they are living in their homes only. So like the food should be according to them. Like they are outside India, they have fraternities for the colleges. So actually I want to build up a fraternity. It's like 4 or 5 colleges, they have one common society or common building. So that's actually a realistic plan. So for that I need a large amount of funding. Then second, I need a very good plan for that. This is basically the problem of students, those who are coming from different parts of the country and studying, like they're coming to the south or they're coming from north. So that kind of borders are there. They have to search for everything, and that's not easy. They have that problem of landlords and the problem of they have to look for different hostels, then the payment issues, then you have to do the police verification, everything. So I just want to break that laws for them, and that's a kind of burden for the parents and the students both. Yeah, actually on a small scale I can think of that, but I want to start it on a large scale, not on a small scale. Like for the first, I want, like in a society there should be at least 3 to 4 buildings, and for that funding and all, okay, for the small scale I can start, but I want to be on a very large platform.